Do you know that developing and keeping the new habits also helps you to build the self confidence? Have you ever struggled to develop the new habits? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello guys, this is Pankita Panchal, life transformation and success coach. In this video, I am sharing 3 important tips to develop new habits, which also helps you to build the self confidence. First, have the right mindset. Why it is important to have the right mindset? Have you seen some people, they just attend one webinar, seminar, program, they watch some YouTube videos and they are so fired up, so pumped up to start something new, they buy something, everything, whatever necessary to have that habit, they buy some exercise equipment, shoes, yoga mats, healthy food or everything, and after some time when you notice, they either didn't start or they gave up in between. Why? Because people take temporary emotional decision, and this is why they fail to keep the momentum or keep being consistent with the habits, because they make the decision based on temporary emotions. So please make sure you have the right mindset. Let me give you another example. If deep inside, if you believe that you can't deserve or you don't deserve to have the healthy lifestyle, then what is going to happen? You start having the healthy diet, and after some time you tempted to have the junk food, that burger, pizza, oily food or sugary food, and you are tempted so much, you go to the restaurant, you eat everything. After that you feel so sorry for yourself. Then you become so hard on yourself and you feel so much guilty, because again you didn't have the right mindset. You have the old beliefs, because you are so hardwired for so long. Then it is not the quick fix, unless you have very hard accountability, very strong accountability, or you paid so much in the high-end program where you have a big no for any junk food. Then and then after you will be on track. Otherwise, if you do it all alone, then high chances are you always go back to your old habits. So please make sure you have the right mindset and accountability. Second, start with small rather than going after the big goals. Start with small goals. Set some small goals, okay, let me read one book, or let me start the meditation twice a week or once a week. Once you are comfortable, then slowly increasing it. And don't forget to give some rewards to yourself actually, which helps you to build the self-confidence, because again you are the person who is putting all the efforts in yourself, on your development, right? So, and when you give yourself rewards, then you feel proud on yourself, which helps you to build the self-confidence. But if you don't consistent with it, then you feel pity or you feel sorry that oh goodness, I didn't keep up my own words. Again, keeping your own words is also a big thing for some people. Most of the time people do not keep their own words. When you keep your own promise, keep your own words is a big thing. So don't forget to give yourself rewards, so often actually, not once a week or once a while. Don't wait for achieve the big goals. Every time set some small goals, and once you achieve that, give yourself rewards. And third, important, start with one thing at a time. Power of one. Rather than okay, let me start everything now, and at the end you will be overwhelmed. So again, of course, if you start everything all together, it will be overwhelming you. So start with one thing at a time, one habit at a time. Like, okay, if you start with reading, then like, okay, go with the reading. Once you are comfortable with it, then again stack up the another habit, then another. But start with whatever doable for you. Depends on your lifestyle and depend on how much time you have. Why people are fail? Because they start everything and they do not track the time, they do not track anything, and they feel like after some time they think like, oh, this is not working for me, oh, this is not for me, and they give some excuses, but deep inside they know that like they were not consistent in it. Why? Because of the lack of time or so many other reasons. Like, okay, life happens, we live in uncertain times. So hope this is helpful, and please comment what is useful, and if you can start one habit today which gives you the long-term results, what is it? And if you are already started, what is that one habit? I'm curious to know. And speak to you soon. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you. Bye.